Hello. I'm here with one of our campus technicians. Let's see what advice he has for staff that need to get technology issues solved around the district.
So right now I'm reviewing my tickets. I want to know about your tech issues. I want to solve them. The best way for me to do that is to know about them in the first place. And the best way to let me know is to submit a ticket here at Incident IQ. Let's see what I have going on today. I'm getting an alert. Network down in the B halls. I tell you what, I need to go over there now.
Got a phone that won't power on. Have an issue with Chrome. Having software issues. Put it in IQ.
All right. Well, we want you to know that we really want one issue per ticket, and we want you to be as detailed as possible and be on the lookout for our responses in the comment field of the ticket.
One issue per ticket. Tell us everything you can.
Don't ghost us when we hit you back. Don't mistake that note for spam.
Hey, are you from technology?
I am, yes.
Oh, can you come to my room? I have an issue with my projector.
I would love to. Right now, I'm working on a network issue. Looks like the whole B hall is down. But have you put in a ticket?
It's broke. I can't fix it. I need to put in the help desk.